What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today I'll be showing you how to get free PlayStation 4 games in 2019. And guys, if you want to see the part 1 of this video, I will have it in the description down below. But if the part 1 did not work for you, this is the video for you. So what you must do is go to the PlayStation Store right now. Okay, click start. And hold on, wait till it loads up. And next you want to go and scroll down until you see PS Now. And once you on it, just click X. All right. And you want to go over to the 7-day free trial. And guys, this is the part of the video. I'm going to have something in the description down below. It's going to say privacy.com. So you need to follow all those steps that I have in that video. I have to say, it's going to say privacy.com video. So just click on that link and it's going to show you all the steps in order to get the free trial for the PS Now. And this will also work for PS Plus if you want to get the PS Plus 2 also. Once you have the PS Now, all you have to do is go to it, right? Click start and just wait. And then your internet has to be decent. It doesn't have to be the best internet, but hold on. Once it loads up, what you can do now is, let's turn this brightness down a little bit. What you can do now is you can go over to a game, say, let's see, NBA 2K16, even though the servers are down. If you wanted to play it while streaming, all you have to do is click get started right here where I have it highlighted in blue. Click that and it's gonna like live stream it to your PlayStation, but I would rather you just download it so it won't have any lagging or anything. So that's basically the end of this video, and I know it was a very short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I want to thank you so much again for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Like I said before, this part 2 doesn't work. All you have to do is go back to the part 1 because I know everybody that is going to be watching this video has not seen the part 1 of the free PlayStation 4 games. And we'll be back to show you how.